I know Father's Day has passed, but this is a recipe in my Celebrates cookbook. And, you know, in Celebrates, we did menus. And the recipe that I'm fixing to share with y'all is made for a Father's Day voting picnic, but you can have it anytime you want to. And I do think the men would really like this one. If you like oysters, and we all love oysters down here, we love them. Now I'm gonna be toasting these pecans very, very lightly over here while I pull everything together. And we're gonna need 1.5 cups of softened cream cheese. What did I say, 1.5 cups? Mm-hmm. I didn't mean that. 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, and then half of the next one. So I'm going to need like 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 1, 2. Oh no. Boy, slinging it on my holy shirt. All right. I've got 1 clove of garlic chopped. That's going to go with the pecans. And I'm going to, before I add our onions, I'm going to make sure that cream cheese is nice and soft and creamy. Now I'm going to add my onions, and this onion smells so good. I believe it's a Vidalia Teresa's picked up. I love those easy, tasty recipes, especially during your hot summer months. Because, okay, I'm going to put in my steak sauce now. This is a Vidalia onion steak sauce that we bottle, and this is so good. So the recipe just calls for, how much does it call for? Where is it? 1 tablespoon of steak sauce. So you can use the steak sauce of your choice. And this is the one that we like. I'm sure you know what the others are out there. So I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon. I'm telling you, the girls can't keep this on the shelf at our stores because they just love it, love it. Okay, I think that's about a tablespoon. And it is good. It's kind of a cross between those 2 most popular steak sauces out there. You probably know what I'm talking about, don't you, Eddie? Yes. It's really good. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to chop some parsley. I've got a light toast on these. So now I'm going to add my 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder. And coat those nuts real good with that. Oops. They smell kind of spicy, don't they?
It smells good.
Uh-huh. This is a great little dish to, if you're having a picnic out, just having a yard dinner, or you going out on a boat, whatever, going on a picnic. This is a great little appetizer to take. Now I'm using flat leaf parsley, so it does take a few extra chops for flat leaf versus the curly, I think. All right. Huh?
I mean, is there a time when you should use curly versus flat leaf?
No.
Flat leaf, it doesn't matter.
I don't think it matters one bit. Doesn't matter to me, Teresa. I think it's just whatever the look you want. All right. Now, I've told you that we're doing a smoked oyster log. You can buy these smoked oysters in the, I think they're in the meat section of your grocery store. Canned meats. Seems like it's with the tuna and the salmon and all of that. And this is exactly the size, 3.75 ounces. So it's perfect. So I don't have any strength in my hands anymore. All right, so I'm going to drain these. I love these little things. And I keep these in my pantry. I didn't buy these for this recipe. I just keep these because they make a good little quick appetizer. You know, with a little bite of cream cheese on it and a cracker. All right, so we're going to stir these in. We don't want to use a mixer. Don't want to use a mixer on these. They smell so good. And that all yum. All right, so what we're going to do next, is wash our hands because they're real oily. Now, y'all, this is really soft, too soft for me to roll it into a log right now. But I'm going to go ahead and put it in my wax paper and kind of shape it a little bit in log form. Because it's really, really soft after the cream cheese is set on the counter and softened. So I'd kind of have a mess if I tried to do it now. So, and it won't take long, maybe 15 or 20 minutes, not long at all. But if you wait longer than that, that's all right too. Okay, so in the refrigerator it goes, and I think I'm going to just put it in this refrigerator drawer right here. Stick it in right there, and after it firms back up, then I can put it in a good log, and we're going to roll it in the chili powdered, spiced chili powder that I've mixed in with the nuts. So first we're going to roll it in the nuts, and then we're going to roll it in the parsley. Okay, y'all. Our oyster loaf is ready. And we actually wound up just putting this in the freezer for a few minutes. You know, because it was really, really sticky. Really sticky. And I'd like for it to be in a complete circle, you know, instead of flat on one side. It may not be stiff enough for that, though. All right, so now we're going to roll this in our nuts. And remember, these nuts have the chili powder in them. So we want to make sure we get it all covered with the nuts. All right, now we're going to start adding the parsley. Okay, so I would recommend putting this back in the refrigerator and letting it firm up some more. Like I said, I would definitely put this in the refrigerator. But, you know, I gotta have a taste. And after I taste it, I can shape it right back, put some more nuts there, and nobody will ever be the wiser. that I've been dipping in the log. Mm. Oh, I do like it. I do. Look at my hands. I do like it. So good. I really wish that I'd gone ahead and added one more can of smoked oysters. Because I could eat those straight out of the can with a fork. I really like this flavor. So there we go. Our beautiful oyster log. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.